Hey, this is Kelly.
And this is Miranda, and we're here to talk about your fees.
And we're not just talking about how to set your fee, but we're also going to be talking about how to have conversations with your clients so that you can have better clinical outcomes.
Money is a resource, and it's there to make sure that you can be the best clinician you can be. And we're going to be digging into that and helping you find that magic number that allows you to get the best clinical outcomes you can get.
So in this course, we're going to be sharing our formula for setting your fee, scripts for having conversations with your clients, and processes that you can take right immediately after you're done taking this course and implement them in your business so that you can find more ease when it comes to setting your fee.
Join us. We will keep you entertained. You will walk away re-inspired with very specific things that you're ready to change in your private practice.
See you in the class.